So this is what this video is for. It'll help you get to the contents in your drive if it's due to a loose USB-C port. If you actually crashed your drive or like smashed it, you know, threw it into the fire and you still want it to work, this video is not for you. Hello everybody, Alan Northern here, giving you filmmaking tips and tricks, and today I'm going to teach you how I fix my Lacie external drive that has USB-C, a USB-C port, and hopefully that'll teach you how you can fix yours as well, because I did it and I know you can do it. This is a very cool fix. But basically, for a little background, this drive is still under warranty. All right, so it's, you know, basically I called up Seagate and they basically told me that I had to send it in and they would just send me a new drive. And I'm like, okay, but that's not the problem. I need to get the data off of this drive because I directed it and wrote a film that's on here, filmed everything, it's on this drive, so I need this drive. I also have the backup of all of the footage, you know, because as a filmmaker you should always have backup, but I did not back up all of the changes that I made in a short period of time. Sometimes that happens. They told me that, okay, yeah, we won't recover the data for you without, you know, you paying us something. For $700, you can recover all of the data that's on the drive. You know, we can do that for you, and if not, we'll refund your money. I'm like, $700? This drive isn't even worth $700, so I was not about to pay that. I'm just be like, I figure this out by myself. I can fix this because I know, you know, I can fix it, because I'm not sending you my drive and get a new one and have all my, you know, progress not be on here. Anyway, always back up your stuff is the main moral of the story. But basically, I'm going to teach you how you can recover the data on this drive if you're experiencing the same issues that I was. So to get to the root cause of your problem, you're gonna have to take this off here. So I'm stripping the orange portion off here. And what you're gonna have to do is get a small screwdriver, a small Phillips screwdriver, and unscrew these screws. There are gonna be 4 screws here, so you unscrew these 4 screws ever so gently. Unscrew, unscrew, unscrew. And after you do that, you know, hopefully you get a small flathead and you go into here, you go into this small little tiny crevice and you gently slide this out, okay? And as you slide this out, just remember you're going to be voiding your warranty when you do this. So, and then it's going to come out. All right, so now it's out. Void warranty, it broken, whatever. I need to get to my stuff. Okay. So, and you're gonna see here, like, look at how loose this thing is. And in order to fix this, it's actually gotta be soldered back on, which I ain't gonna be soldering nothing. So, negative. Okay, so you see it just came straight off. So this was completely loose, like completely loose, and I don't know how. So basically it goes on to, the USB-C went onto an adapter, this green SATA adapter here, which then slides, goes onto your drive. Okay, so your drive is actually fine if this is the case. It's just your adapter is messed up. So you just need a new adapter. And that's fine. It's super cheap. So basically what you've got to do is take a small screwdriver and unscrew these 2 screws from the adapter. Boom, unscrew, 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 and then from this side, unscrew, 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 right here. So boom, that should be unscrewed, and boom, this should also be unscrewed. So now we are going to be taking off the SATA adapter, USB-C to SATA adapter, right here. Okay, and boom. Okay, so I'm going to see something that looks like a game cartridge right here. They call this a SATA, S-A-T-A. And what you can do is go to Micro Center and get yourself a hard drive adapter. Okay, this is a hard drive adapter. It was $9. $9 or $700. Okay, this was $9. SATA to USB. Okay, and basically what you're gonna do is take this out, and you'll see the SATA portion here and the USB 2.0 portion here. So you want to see how the adapter aligns, and you just basically slip it on. Boom. Slides on like a glove. See that? SATA to the SATA USB adapter. Boom. Goes straight on there. And then you'll be able to plug this in to your computer, get all your data, and continue using the drive if you want. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching the video. If you're interested in more filmmaking stuff, then please subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every single week. All right, have a good one. See you later.